What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's super exciting because I'm getting the Cadillac retuned. We're going to cows after the BTR Stage 3 cam has been installed, so I'm excited to see the numbers that it puts out. I'm excited to hear how choppy he's hopefully going to make it. So let's go ahead and load up the Cadillac for the first time in our new trailer. If you haven't caught that video, go ahead and check it in the description below. But we're gonna load it for the first time. We've got our new straps. So stay tuned for those numbers and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Guys, we've got the car in and strapped down. We did get these new awesome Vulcan straps. They're pretty nice. I think you can get them in orange or black, but they're highly recommended car straps. Great for trailers. If you need them, check the description below. So we are gonna go get some gas and then head off to cows. Alright guys, so we just got to cows. We're gonna unload the Cadillac, pull it in, and see what she does. The cold start is stupid angry. I'll try and get as much footage as I can. So we're gonna go ahead and unload it, unstrap it, and we'll get to it.
Alright, let's see what happens here when I start it. "30 times better."
What? I did not do any of that.
Started right up.
Jealous.
Alright, well we'll get it closer.
Alright guys, so we officially have it strapped down. We did have to do some work on the front. We had some air in the hoses. So Callan's just going to do a bass tune. He's going to kind of drive it around a little bit on the dyno. Get it to where he wants to be before we do a couple pulls. So I will go right back into it when he starts doing the first pull. Alright guys, so we are back in the trailer. We just got home. We are going to unload the Cadillac, but I want to update you. There was a lot of moving parts at Cal's. We were there for like 5-6 hours trying to figure out and diagnose some things. So first things first is the supercharger lines on the back that you see right there. Those were kinked, and we couldn't figure out why the IE2s were so high, but we were looking at all the hoses, and I think I have the broken one in here somewhere. This is the one that is kinked. So it's kinked like right here and down here in the same spot. So like looking through it, it's not giving good flow. And then further inspection, we had a couple other kinked lines. This line was kinked. That was originally being run down here and up. And then it had like a 90 going this way, or a U. We ended up having to cut that at Cal's. So this is new. Right now this is just dangling. It's not even properly attached. So we have to try and figure out a solution for this. But still right now, as it sits, the IE2s are still at idle like 120, 118 at best. So we're going to try and get that lower. We do have some possible options coming in the future to try and keep those down, but overall I'm super happy with the numbers I got today. We had to take all this stuff off just to get to it. Obviously we had to take all the plastics off, so unfortunately we weren't able to keep pushing the car as hard as we wanted to just because the IETs weren't cooperating, but overall it was pretty good. Also, this fitting right here, as you can see, we have kind of like just a hose on it right now. It completely broke. This is the bypass. It was spliced. So he didn't have an extra one, so we just used a hose and attached it. So it's a temporary fix for now, but it works. We are going to be doing a bunch of different little small updates, trying to get this fixed, trying to figure out where we want to route this, which is just a drain for the icebox. A bunch of small things that we're going to be doing, testing and tuning before FL2K. So hopefully we'll get it dialed in. But the trailer works beautifully, the Cadillac sounds amazing, and I finally hit the 700s, so I am excited. I am going to go ahead and close out this video. Super happy. Thank you, Cal, for all your hard work. We appreciate you, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, this is a cold start inside the trailer. It's gonna be stupid loud, I have a feeling.